Woman shot in the head 4 times in St. Andrew and succumbed to her injuries. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A woman was shot and taken out on Newley Avenue in St. Andrew on Friday evening. The woman was reportedly shot 4 times in the head by unknown assailants. The Police Corporate Communications Unit, the information arm of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, confirmed the shooting and said that the shooting occurred around 5:20 p.m. We'll have more details on this to follow up in a later newscast. Continuing the news. Man struck by train in St. Catherine loses his leg in the incident. A man is now in hospital after he was reportedly hit by a train in Macrook's Pen, St. Catherine on Friday. Reports are that around 4:45 p.m., the man was sitting on the train track when the incident occurred. One resident in the area said that the man lost a leg as a result of the impact. The incident triggered shock in the community. In October 1992, Public Rail Transport Services ceased operation in Jamaica, although private industrial lines continue to operate in parts of the country today. This is to transport bauxite and other goods and services across various parts of the country. Continuing the news. Jamaican international recording artist Shaggy to receive honorary degree from Brown University. The Grammy Award-winning artist Shaggy is set to receive an honorary Doctor of Fine Arts degree from the Brown University in the United States this weekend. The Jamaican music icon, whose real name is Orville Burrell, is the only diamond-selling dancehall artist in the music history and is also a former U.S. Marine. His Shaggy Make a Difference Foundation has raised millions of dollars for the Bustamante Children's Hospital in Kingston, Jamaica. Shaggy is listed among 9 candidates to be bestowed with the honorary degree during the university's commencement and reunion weekend from May 27 to 29. The annual presentation of honorary degree has been a Brown tradition since 1969 and acknowledges the achievement of leaders from a wide variety of backgrounds. Shaggy has been honored for his reggae contribution and also as a U.S. Marine. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.